In Sicily, the smell of warm bread often fills up the homes and hearts and delights every palate. Women make an effort and offer bread and schiacciate, that is mashed bread, that pleasantly is consumed seasoned with a little oil and a pinch of oregano, along with a good glass of wine, and why not, even a piece of tomato, which is Sicilian cheese. Often, though, in certain times of the year, bread takes on curious forms and names. It is the case of the panuzzi of San Biagio. They are shaped by Assunta, the lady who hostess up in her home. She shows us how she masters an all-female know-how handed down from generations.
Buonasera, cosa stai facendo?
Hello, Assunta. Hello, Rosanna. What are you doing? I am making panuzzi of San Biagio that are needed for the sore throats.
Una volta un bambino si è inghiottito.
Once a child swallowed a fish bone that was left in his throat. The legend says that that day there was a saint who miraculously brought out the bone from the throat of the child, saving him. And from that day, every eve of San Biagio, on February 1st, we prepare these breads that are offered for the goodwill of the saints. In Sicily, every excuse is good to party or to cook something. Especially from spring until late autumn, it is a feast of something or a party of some saint.
La farina in una casseruola.
You put the flour in a bowl, then melt the yeast, putting a pinch of salt, then you add water and you start to knead.
Li fai tutti gli anni?
Sì, io li faccio tutti gli anni.
Ma da sempre, da quando?
Sì, ma da quando sono sposata tutti gli anni.
Do you do them every year? Yes, I do them every year. But always? Since when? Since I've been married, every year. And your mom used to do it as well? Yes, my mom, my sisters, even now, they are all at home preparing these little breads. Here, when you do the first cut with the knife, you do a cross. Just like the Sicilian ones, sign of the cross, kiss the dough, and work in aura of sacredness. What are these little cuts represent? They represent the throat in memory of the miracle of San Biagio. If you eat it, the sore throat really goes away, at least sometimes. These breads are divided in church and among people. Often I don't bring any at home. You don't bring any at home. You can say that they do not have any left, because 2 for her, and 2 for her, and for my sisters, and to the one next to my granddaughter, to my daughter-in-law. We're used to making them now. Like my husband says, che isto non tu scorda fare un panuzzo. When I ask you something and you forget. This Sicilian husband, always grumbling. Now we will put them in the oven. How are they now? They are still white, they are not cooked, and they are still raw. Do you understand them from the color? Yes. The breads are finally ready, and Assunta is preparing me some to take home. I have cheese and olives, wine as well. And what is there better than here in Sicily?
Grazie.
Ti saluto.